This is Let's Study Together. We are gonna discuss our first Java code. I will explain everything from scratch. First, we have to write syntax like this. First, we have to write class and then main. We can write anything in place of main. We can write our name also. Let's study together. In Java, can anyone know why we have to write everything in class? If anyone knows the answer, pause the video and comment below. The answer for this is in Java, everything revolves around oops concept and user for reusability. So we write class. So inside that we can write public static void main. In this we can write string args. Here public means we can access from anywhere and static means we can call the main method without creating any object. We can directly call without the object creation. And void means there is no value to return, and main is the name of the method which the JVM executes. Yes, we all know that every program starts from main method. Can anyone know why we have write string args here? What is the use of it? I think max of the students don't know the answer. Yes, string args means we can pass the arguments through the command line. And after this, we have to write system dot out dot print ln. Here we have to write whatever we can. Hello world. We have to end it with the semicolon. In Java, to print the output, the syntax is like this. Whatever we write inside this quotes is printed on the screen. Can we run this code? Yes, I started running the code. Can you see this output? Hello world. Whatever we can write inside this quotes. For example, change this to main, or else let's change this name to let's study together and just run it. Yes, can you see this? The output changes. So this is our first sample Java program. So I think everyone understands this. If any doubts, please comment below. Thank you for watching.